Welcome to Soledad Canyon, the perfect spot for hiking, exploring, and of course, photography. Lately, I've been struggling with which equipment to bring on these kinds of adventures, whether it's the camera, the drone, or the action cam. Do I shoot vertically for the sake of social media, or horizontally for prints and YouTube? On this shoot, I wanted to try something different. Today, I decided to just bring it all and shoot everything. And you know what? I'm pretty happy with the results. Because if there's one thing I've been learning with this recent passion for photography, it's that each piece of gear, each trip into the mountains, and each social media post is all part of the journey.
Ooh, for the people that said that I couldn't do it, I take every word, burn it like fluid. Just a red light running right through it. On the top of